You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So if it's spelled that way, that's the French word for a wheel, and that's said roue in French, so roue is a wheel in French. Now, if you're looking for the English word, then it would have an accent on the E, an acute accent, and that said roue, like a debauched man. Roue is how you say it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. It helps me a lot, and more videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.